প্রথম প্রশ্ন বলছে স্ল্যাক সিজন in the Indian economy is from January to June, option C. Next, consider the following statement. The nationwide scheme of the National Labour Project NCLP is run by the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment through Guru Podesh Swami committee dealt with the issue of child labor through option C both A and B. Next, which of the following group of state has the largest concentration of rural power and people living below the poverty line? এটা হবে অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ, কর্ণাটকা and তামিলনাড়ু. Option D. India's wage policy based on cost of living. Unemployment which occur when worker move from one job to another job is known as এটা হবে frictional unemployment. The type of unemployment mostly found in India can be characterized as disguised unemployment. Next, disguised unemployment in India is mainly related to agricultural, rural, factory সেক্টরে নয়, আরবান সেক্টরে নয়. সো 1 and D অপশন এ হবে সঠিক উত্তর. Next question. On the region of India's occupational structure remaining more or less the same over the year has been that people are largely unaware of significance of transition from agriculture to industrial for the economic development. এটাই হবে সঠিক উত্তর. Next, which of the following is correct? Correct. So bulk of unemployment in India is in rural, true. Disguised unemployment in agricultural sector perennial, true. Industry have rendered the several job না job দেয়, সো এটা হচ্ছে না. অপশন 1 and 2, সো অপশন এ হবে সঠিক উত্তর এখানে. Next, among the reason the disguised unemployment in rural area is low level of technological development in the country. Rural area technology তুলনামূলক কম in respect to urban. Next, unemployment in the developing country generally take place due to lack of complementary factors of production. Next, cyclical unemployment refers to unemployment during the recessionary phase of the trade cycles. Option D, cyclical unemployment. Next, person below the poverty line in India are classified as such based on whether they are entitled to a minimum prescribed food basket. Option A. Next question, which committee's recommendation are being followed for the estimation of poverty line in India? এটা হবে Lakdawala committee. Option D. Next, consider the following statement. বলছে regional disparities in India are high and have been rising in recent years because there is persistent investment over time only in select locals. Some areas are climatic less conductive and development. Option. Next, some are as continue to face little or no acquiring transformation and the consequent lack of social and economic opportunity. 3. So option A হবে সঠিক উত্তর. 1, 2 and 3. Absolute poverty means poverty in term of basic minimum calorie requirement. Absolute poverty হচ্ছে ক্যালোরির উপর ডিপেন্ড করে হচ্ছে. Next, among the following eligibility benefit from the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA. Among the following eligibility benefit, adult of any household হলেই MGNREGAর আন্ডারে পড়বে. Next, poverty gap is the difference between the poverty line and actual income level of all those living below that line. Option A. Next, consider the following statement. Consider the following statement with reference to Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme IGNOAPS কি বলছে all passengers of 60 years or above belongs to the household below the poverty line of rural না next the central assistance under the scheme is at the rate of rupees 300 per month beneficiaries under the scheme of state have been urged to give the matching amount এটাও না so option D neither or not to among the following is not correct regarding the সম্পূর্ণ গ্রামীণ রোজগার যোজনা this case component of the program is borne exclusively by the central government na food grain are provided free of cost to the state true so option B হবে সঠিক উত্তর next consider the following statement Hariyali is a wasted development project sponsored by the central government true Hariyali is aimed to enable the urban population না আরবান না রুরালের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে হয়েছে সো দুই নয় অপশন এ হবে সঠিক Food for Work program was renamed as Food for Work program renamed as National Rural Employment Act NREP অপশন বি হবে সঠিক উত্তর প্রধানমন্ত্রী গ্রাম গ্রামোদয়া যোজনা aims to meeting rural need like primary education healthcare drinking water housing rural road option A হবে সঠিক উত্তর next question which one of the following statement is not correct আচ্ছা এখানে বলছে under the targeted public distribution system PDS the family below poverty line are provided 50 kg of food grain per month per family না 50 kg অত নয় কখনোই সম্ভব নয় তাও পার ফ্যামিলি হিসাবে নেক্সট বলছে আন্ডার অন্নপূর্ণা স্কিম ইন্ডিজেন senior citizen of 65 year of age or above the eligibility for national old age pension but not getting pension can get 10 kg of food grain per person per month of free cost হবে next ministry of social justice and empowerment has scheme in which the indigent people living in welfare institution like orphan and get 15 kg of food grain per person per month at BPL rate হবে next ministry of human resource development HRD give financial support to midday meal scheme for the benefit of class 1 to 5 student in the government or governing aided school true তাহলে বলেছে কি নট কারেক্ট অপশন এ ই হবে এখানে উত্তর next question consider the following statement the loan distribute to farmer under Kisan Credit Card Scheme are covered under the Rashtriya Krishi Bima Yojana of Life Insurance Company Corporation of India. The Kisan Credit Card hold to provide personal account insurance for rupees 50,000 for accident death and 25,000 per permanent disability. Option 2. So option B হচ্ছে correct answer. DWCRA full form Development of Women and Child in Rural Areas. Development of Women Child in Rural Areas. Next, which of the following is a RAM in the Integrated Rural Development Program? এটা হবে স্বর্ণ জয়ন্তী গ্রাম সহায়ক যোজনা অপশন সি What is the main objective of the অন্তোদয়া program? এটা হবে upliftment of poor অন্তোদয়া program upliftment of poor which of the following scheme launched by the government of India aim to enhance the livelihood security of people in rural area by the guaranteeing 100 days of employment in financial year to a rural household whose adult member volunteer to do unskilled manner work তবে MGNREGA MNREGA next স্বর্ণ জয়ন্তী গ্রাম স্বরাজ যোজনা come into being? স্বর্ণ জয়ন্তী গ্রাম রোজগার যোজনা, এটা হচ্ছে এপ্রিল 1999, 1999 এপ্রিলে। নেক্সট, মিনিমাম নিড প্রোগ্রাম aims to improve the living condition of poor and also promote their education and health. So B option, minimum needs program aims to improve the living condition of poor and also promote their education and health. নেক্সট 32 এর দাগের বলছে রুরাল ল্যান্ডলেস এমপ্লয়মেন্ট গ্যারান্টি প্রোগ্রাম RLEGP is an extensive of National Rural Employment Program NREP. নেক্সট বলছে with reference to the government of India various program, what is Nirmal Gram Puraskar? তবে it is an initiative scheme Panchayat Raj institution, option D. Next, the strategies aim to IRDP to provide more opportunities for rural employment and credit facility at concessional rate of interest. Operation Blackboard aims to promoting adult literacy. Operation Blackboard promote to in promoting adult literacy. In India, present trend of rapid urbanization is due to lack of employment opportunity in rural areas. So in India, present trend of rapid urbanization is the lack of employment opportunity in rural area. রুরাল এরিয়ায় অপরচুনিটি কম হয়, সেই জন্য তারা আরবান এরিয়ায় চলে আসে, সো ল্যাক অফ প্লেস। নেক্সট 37 এর দাগেরটা কি বলছে, হুইচ with reference to the government welfare scheme consider the following statement. Under the Antyodaya Anna Yojana, the food grain are available to the poorest of the poor family for rupees 2 per kg and wheat for 3 per kg. True. Next, under the National Old Age Pension Scheme, the old and destitute and provide rupees 75 per month as central pension in addition to the amount provided by most state government. এটাও ঠিক। Next, Government of India has allocated 25 kg food grain per below poverty line family per month at less than half of the economy. True. So option D 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer here. Next 38 এর দাগের বলছে consider the following statement in respect to the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005. Under this provision act, extra work employment in a year to every household whose adult member volunteer to do unskilled manual work. না এসব ভুল কথা। Next, under the provision of the act, women are getting priority to extend the one half of pension who are given employment to, এটা ভুল কথা। So D হবে neither or not to. Next, what is the minimum calorie intake decided by the Planning Commission for rural and urban areas? রুরাল এরিয়ার জন্য ক্যালোরি ইনটেক হওয়া উচিত 2400 এবং আরবান এরিয়ার জন্য 2100। নেক্সট, হুইচ অফ দিস প্রোগ্রাম হ্যাজ নট বিন ইনক্লুডেড ইন দ্য স্বর্ণ জয়ন্তী স্বরোজগার যোজনা? এটা হবে JR। নেক্সট, ফর হুইচ ওয়ান অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং পারপাস দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট হ্যাজ লঞ্চ রাজীব অ্যাওয়ার্ড যোজনা? To provide affordable house to slum dweller and the urban people. Option 4. Next, which of the following is not an economic empowerment scheme launched by the government of India for the benefit of various section of society? এটা হচ্ছে কালাপানা 1। Next, the government of India has launched a number of poverty alleviation program. This is done with a view that poverty is the root cause of social insecurity. In addition to that, UN has also launched Millennium Development Goal to be achieved by 2015. Which of the following is not of the goal? Reduce the marriageable age of male to 18 years. Next, which of the following is the amount of insurance cover provided to the worker of the unorganized sector under the Rashtriya Sahitya Bima Yojana? Rupees 30,000, sorry, 3 lakh 7. Next, the government of India does not provide any direct financial assistance to which of the following? Jeevan Sahitya Yojana इटा है. Which among the following can take benefit of social security fund established by the government of India for unorganized worker? এটা হবে রিক্সা পুলার. Social security for rickshaw puller. Okay, next. As as per the latest data in the urban areas, women employment is highest in which of the following industry? এটা হবে retail trade. When productive capacity of the economic system of a state is inadequate to create sufficient number of jobs, it is called structural unemployment. Next, urban under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, the benefit are available to the people having minimum age of 65 years. Last question. বলছে poverty is less developed country. Poverty in less developed country is largest due to income inequality.